Hello. Welcome back again to African culture, food and lifestyle. Guys, I'm in the village. I'm trying to make some supper for the family. And the supper I'm going to make, I want to make peanut sauce. That is groundnut sauce. And I want to do the traditional way. So kindly watch this video until the end. So guys, this is the groundnut. I've fried it. So African style of doing it. That is the traditional way of doing it, that is by using this I don't know how we call this thing, but the traditional way, this is what we use. For me, I'm going to use this, and this is how we do it traditionally. So here in Kenya, we normally fry it first before we change it, we crush it. But in Uganda, which is also in East Africa, they do raw ones, so that they can obtain more oil. So guys, this is what I have for today. So I'm going to make this supper for this, and I'm going to serve it with the sweet potatoes. That is a staple, loved traditional food in Kenya. So let's go. So this is what you do. I'm going to keep doing this until it gets into I'm going to crush everything in here, so just stay tuned. So guys, you can see it has just started crushing, so I'll continue the same way. So guys, look at the stage down there. So I'll just continue like this until you see some oil coming back, so stay tuned. So guys, you see, the more you crush it, the more. So these ones are the ones which were still down there. So you continue. This is the traditional way of doing it. So wonderful. Go mate. So guys, this is now enough. Now I'm going to make the sauce. Let me just show you. This is how it is now. So from here, now I'm going to make the sauce, the peanut butter sauce, the traditional way. So guys, this is one of the ingredients that I'm going to use to make this peanut sauce. So traditionally, you get fresh milk, you serve them here in this pot. I don't know how you call it in your language. Then by doing this, it's like we are trying to make some buttercream from it. So the cream, we use it in milk and traditional vegetables. We use it also to add flavor to the traditional vegetables. And for this sour milk, I'm doing this so that we make that milk sour. So the sour milk, I'm going to use it in making this peanut butter sauce. So stay tuned. Okay. So guys, from here, I have my pan here with me. I have this here with me. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take them out from here inside this pan. I'll transfer them there. Guys, it's looking dark because I did not remove the covers. I crushed them. So at this time now, I'm going to add in so guys, this is the sour milk. So you make sure Patrick, noise. Make sure you stir until everything dissolves. So guys, you add some salt to taste. As you stir, you add some salt to taste. So no adding of milk anymore. You have to let it now cook. So guys, you can see it has changed the color. It's looking so yummy, and now it's boiling. So at this time we are going to let it boil until we see some oil forming up on top. So stay tuned. So guys, this is the traditional way of making peanut butter sauce traditionally in the village. So I'm just going to serve it. So I don't know how you serve this. So for us, we serve it as a meal, and it is a very special meal. We serve it with sweet potatoes. Look at this, guys. So wonderful, so tasty. So we serve it with potatoes, sweet potatoes. So stay tuned and see how I'm going to serve. This is peanut butter sauce and sweet potatoes. So this is an African meal. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.
Welcome.